All right, when we dimension this drawing, we don't want to get as many center lines as we had yesterday. So what we're going to do is go to automate center lines, and the first choice is already picked for us. We're going to skip this filleted feature one, and then we're going to go to cylindrical objects, revolved objects. We'll pick both the projections. We can pick both of these, and then when we say OK, we won't get all those lines like we had yesterday. All right. So again, when we go into automated center lines, we're going to skip option 2 on this video. We're going to pick 3 and 4. We'll pick both the projections, both these circular ones, and it'll give us a little cleaner look on our overall dimensioning. All right, here I go one more time. I'm going to get those polka dotted lines on the outside. Right click, automated center lines, 3 and 4, both the projections, both the patterns, and then I'll click OK. And so it'll clean it up a little bit. When you go to the annotate tab, you should still be able to dimension, objects like this as a circle, so it looks like a circle. All right, this is still going to show a radius of 0.5, and then the hole. Again, we're going to use the hole and thread note to dimension, and that should tell us it's a 1/2 inch diameter hole to a depth of 1 inch. All right. Then when you go to dimension the linear features, I'm going to use the baseline tool. Remember, you want to pick the center line as one of your objects. So I'm giving info about the length right now. I picked all the vertical lines and that center line, but I didn't have the baseline tool picked. So we'll give it one more shot here with the actual baseline tool. All right, right click, left click, polka dots, left click, right click, create. Okay, now they're overlapping, so I've got to come in here now and I've got to kind of move my views around. Maybe I need to take these hole notes and I got to click on their extension line and bring them up to the top here. All right, same with this one, it's overlapping. I can't have that because it's not a very clear communication piece, so we'll bring that up to the top. And now we're getting somewhere with this. All right, so now I'm going to just repeat that same thing again with the baseline tool for info on the height of this object. Here's my polka dots. All right, and I need to give some information about the depth of this object, so I'm going to do that. Oops, again, using the baseline. I'll do it over here on the right-hand side just because I've got all those different info at the top view about the curve. So just to make this a little easier to see, I'm going to pick these 3 vertical lines here, and that will give me information about the depth of this object. So there's how to add those dimensions. There's a little bit of confusion over this yesterday. That's what your finished drawing should look like.